Most people post their lead magnet once, get 3 downloads and think it doesn't work. Problem isn't the lead magnet, it's that they built the wrong one for the wrong person and posted it the wrong way. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to find the right idea, write it so people actually comment, and how to manage it so it has the best chances of blowing up. So let's get straight to the video. Okay guys, so first thing that we are going to do is go on Twitter and go on Twitter search, and basically here we will type the keyword that will best represent our lead magnet that we want to do. So for instance, if we want to do a creative theme lead magnet, we will type in creative theme, and here you will get all the posts that are most relevant, and here you will able to see if the lead magnet or the keyword that you put in even has lead magnets or even is enough relevant for you to be making lead magnet about. And as you can see, this guy made a lead magnet about creative theme and it got 6k impressions and 50 comments. Then is this guy who got over 10,000 impressions and over 150 comments from this simple post. Okay guys, so this is one method, and basically you can just test out different keywords that you want to build lead magnets about. The idea is that you try to find the niche, basically the keyword that has a lot of volume, but the profiles that are posting the lead magnet are basically just starting out and has small following. As you can see, this guy has less than 10,000 followers. Okay guys, and the other method that you can also use is go back on Explorer, search, and basically just start looking at trends and what's trending at the moment, and basically just try to find the most relevant keyword and make a lead magnet about it. Basically, it's simple as that. Okay guys, so here I prepare you a few lead magnets, so we will break them down and you will see why they actually work. I picked 3 different profiles, basically 3 different lead magnets from 3 different profiles. As you can see, all of them are below 10,000 followers. So if you're just starting out, this can work for you as well, and it can blow up your post easily if the lead magnet is actually good and valuable to the people. First, if we look at FF Printer, he got crazy 80,000 impressions and almost 600 comments on his post. And why this works so well? Because in the hook he used a specific number that feels real, and spamming, he's using this in his hook basically for system and no skill, so people know it's repeatable. And then we have the result, the timeline for days, and the method how to get there. Basically one line, nothing is wasted. And here we have the specific formula, how can you achieve this, and basically just copy for yourself. In the body, as you can see, there are 3 bullet points with 0 explanation, just pure curiosity, and each of one is an obstacle that reader already hit. So geo-targeting, duplicate detection, and printing. There is no teaching, it's just promise stacking basically. And here again is the formula. As you will see, underneath each of these is formula, so you can just copy it and use it for yourself. Then awareness and framing, basically this is problem aware post. It's not for beginners, it's for someone who already posting, already getting flagged, already frustrated, so he just wants to skip all education. And for the call to action, it's very aggressive, but it matches the hook, and the big number earned the ask, so people wanted actually to comment and actually get the lead magnet. This post was very short. Then we have this medium one, and the last one is the article. As you will see, you can basically create 3 different type of posts for lead magnets, so it will actually work. Okay, so this guy got almost 400 comments and over 30,000 impressions on his lead magnet. Okay guys, so let's check why this works so well. Basically, here we have the hook. I have been testing. It signals that it's life experience, not advice, and it removes skepticism before it forms. Name specific tool, basically inside signal, it filters for the right audience immediately. Inside one conversation, basically this creates the compression promise, and the complex workflow immediately becomes one simple container. Then absolutely cooking, it creates a genuine excitement over polished marketing, feels like a friend texted you. And trailing, open loop forces the red. I broke down over 100 of the best performing lead magnets on Twitter into plug and play formulas, hook formula, framing, and call to action format. Everything in this video applied to over 100 real examples. You can check it out in my free Telegram group, which link is in the description. Now in the body, every bullet is a pain point solved, not a feature listed, as you can see. So if we go through them, parallel research in one prompt basically equals as hours of manual research across tabs. Then we have visual anchors before the video tool, starting video with no creative direction, Claude routes references automatically, so manual uploads, constant tab switching, and so on. Each particle adds proof of mechanism, not just it does this, but how, which makes the claim believable, which is very important part. Then we have awareness and framing. The level here is solution aware, so not product aware. The audience already knows AI UGC is a thing and that it's a slow and fragmented. He skips all education and leads straight to the system. So the framing over here is the accidental discovery. I found something while working and I'm documenting it for you. Just someone further ahead sharing what's working. Basically, in this call to action, we have 3 actions stacked in one line. So comment keyword, this triggers algo, pushes the post to more people. Then we have must be following, so audience builder, so we start getting followers. Retweet for priority, this is the distribution engine, seeds it into the new networks, and priority access, basically soft scarcity without feeling fake, not limited spots, just a hierarchy that feels reasonable. So this call to action is optimized for distribution, not clicks. The lead magnet is the carrot and virality is the actual goal. Okay guys, and last but not least, you can do lead magnets inside their articles. This is for more bottom of the funnel stuff, and articles will help you to nurture people even more and give you the ability to go through more objections. Okay guys, if we look at the hook, it signals to us immediately that it requires 0 skills. So this is the framing, so you can replicate it and you don't have to figure it out. This targets one specific milestone for one specific person, the beginner who hasn't crossed $1,000 yet. Okay, so for the body, it's basically structured in 3 different layers. First layer is to eliminate alternatives. So in the first lines, as you can see, SMA, dropshipping, trading. So basically that for these niches you need capital and for this one you don't. Then the second layer is the core framework. Basically the step 1 and 3, each step removes a specific reason people stall. So step 1 over here, then we have step 2 over here, and the last step is somewhere down here. And as you will see, these options, so option 1, option 2, option 3, this serves as people who are reading this post are basically problem aware / solution aware. They know they want income but hasn't figured out the vehicle yet. And last but not least, call to action for this post, as you can see, is basically lowest friction of the 3. Just comment, not follow, no retweet, match the beginner audience but leaves distribution on the table. These are all the lead magnets we just checked out, and this is how you can do it. Okay guys, here are 3 habits you should do to make sure your lead magnet will go viral. Okay guys, so for this first thing that you should do is reply to every comment in the first 30 minutes after you post, because this will make sure that you post blow ups even more, because the algo is set that way that it wants to make as much interaction in the first 30 minutes of you posting. Second thing that you can also do is rotate your pin tweet every 2 to 3 weeks and basically pin a new one, so your followers and all the people who will come to your profile will see this lead magnet and be able to get it, and it basically takes 30 seconds to do. And last but not least on our list to absolutely blow up your post, so you should find people in your niche that are doing similar lead magnets to yours and basically just comment underneath their post. So basically when their traffic and their followers are looking at that post, they will maybe see your comment underneath that post and go and visit your profile and maybe see your lead magnet. So that's one way of also blowing up. So right idea, right framing, and right distribution habit is the whole system for this one. Most people skip the research and wonder why nobody downloads their lead magnet, and now you know exactly how to fix this. So if you learned something new in this video, please leave a like on the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.